Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about an interesting topic, and the topic is how to upload files on GitHub, and it will be a quick step-by-step tutorial for you guys. So here actually you can see we are already in our GitHub platform. This is our dashboard as you can see. So now we just want to upload files in here. That for reason we just need to create an repository. This is the mandatory. So I'll give the name video test, and here once it's done you can see video test is available. I will make that this one will be a public one, and then I'll just click to the create repository. Once I click over here, then here they are giving us a quick setup. If you have done this kind of thing before, so here you can create a new file or you can upload existing files. So I will click over this place, and then here you can see drag files here to add them to your repository or choose your file. So I'll click this one, and from that place I will go to there and I will copy my index here, and it will take a couple of minutes for the upload. And now eventually you can see it already been done. You can just click to the comment changes and processing your file. This may take few minutes for each step, and here you can see it already been done. Now if you want to see this one, you are allowed to see it. You can like only code viewer, you can switch to editor if you want. You have all this authority to the here. This is the easiest way to upload file in GitHub. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.